Hi, I'm going to teach you what Kirkland and this teach me, and it's this thing where the dumping thing. You just, if you want to dump something like a mean thing, like mean words. If you want to go tell that to somebody, don't. Just go find a big, wide place where you can talk to yourself. And that's step one. Go there. Step two, talk to yourself. Step three, you have to actually fill it. And step four, do your decorations loud and then quiet. That's all you have to do.